Hello! In this video, I will show you how to work with the Home Task Center in the Academy. The Home Task Center is located on the left-hand menu in the Content page. It allows you to quickly view, review, and comment on learners' works. Let's look on the page structure. On the left side, you'll see a list of courses that include quizzes with manual review or exams waiting for approval. If a course has unreviewed works, a red badge appears next to its name showing the number of pending items. On the right side of page, you'll see the list of works, pending approval, approved, and rejected. In the approved and rejected lists, you can view learner's name and email, completion date, total attempts, and also the option to add another attempt, time, points, and checker with the date of approval. To review a work, open the pending approvals section and choose the work. On the left, you'll see the learner's answer to each quiz question along with the time spent on each one. You can also leave a text comment or record a voice comment and mark answers as correct or incorrect. The system automatically evaluates the correctness of answers according to quiz settings, but you can override this and adjust the points awarded for each question. On the right side, you'll see general information about the quiz title, learner's name and email, date completed, time spent on the quiz, and current score. After reviewing, you can also leave an overall comment of the quiz and approve or reject using the corresponding buttons. Once completed, the work will automatically move to the appropriate list and the learner will receive a notification. You can also reopen a work to review it again if needed. The Home Task Center also offers several additional features. You can search by course name, quiz title, or learner's name. You can use filters to show only works awaiting approval or display all works. By clicking the three dots next to the Courses tab, you can enable Show Lessons, which opens the course materials to quickly refresh content before reviewing. You can also access to the quiz edit or view quiz statistics by clicking three dots next to the Home Task Center header and choose the corresponding button. After work is approved or rejected, the result automatically appears in the Learner's Results tab. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!